Hi, welcome to Sohaila Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a very delicious pound cake that has walnuts, almonds, and raisins in it. I posted a picture of this on social media and I got a lot of feedback, so that's why I'm doing this video today, so I can share my recipe with all of you. This cake is very delicious and very simple to make, yet the outcome is very beautiful and very delicious and looks very professional. So if this is what you're looking for, please continue to watch and I will show you how to make this delicious cake. Thank you for watching. back, and here's our cake. Our cake looks delicious and beautiful. So shiny and very professional looking, as I mentioned at the beginning. So let's have a taste and see how we did. I'm just gonna have a small piece for right now. Very delicious, moist, and it's very moist and has a crunchiness to it from the walnuts and almonds, and the raisins taste really good with it, and that's why you put a little bit of sugar. So when you put the raisins, it balances it out and give you the sweetness. As I always say, please try my recipes and let me know if you have any questions or comments. You can leave me a comment down below, or you can contact me in Facebook and Instagram, and I'm also on Snapchat. So feel free to contact me anytime, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video soon. Goodbye.